The Lenovo 100P Smart Projector is a versatile and feature-packed device that aims to redefine the home entertainment experience. With its sleek design, advanced technology, and user-friendly features, it stands out as a strong contender in the crowded projector market. Today, we'll dive deep into its key highlights and evaluate its performance across various aspects. But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out all our latest tech reviews and insights. Alright, let's get started. First, let's do the unboxing. Right out of the box, we've got the projector itself, which feels lightweight and sleek, perfect for portability. Inside, you'll find the power adapter, a remote control, but batteries not included, and a quick start guide to get you up and running. Now, let's talk the design first. The Lenovo Xiaoxin 100P boasts a unique design that combines functionality with aesthetics. The fuselage is covered with a cloth-like material, giving it a modern and premium look. More importantly, it features three proof settings: dustproof, waterproof, and anti-fouling. This makes it a durable choice for various environments, whether it's a living room, bedroom, or even outdoor use. The 360-degree pan and tilt adjustable bracket is a standout feature, allowing users to position the projector at virtually any angle. This flexibility ensures that you can achieve the perfect projection alignment regardless of where the projector is placed. At the back, you have all the essential ports neatly placed. There are infrared, headphone jack, HDMI and USB port, power button, power connector, and the air vent. Now moving on to the star of the show, the display quality. The Lenovo 100P delivers a true 850 AN ilumens brightness, which is a breath of fresh air in a market where inflated lumen claims are common. This ensures vibrant and clear images, even in moderately lit environments. The physical 1080p resolution provides sharp and detailed visuals, and it supports 4K decoding, making it future-proof for high-resolution content. The double-layer glass lens not only enhances durability, but also ensures consistent image quality over time. Additionally, the projector features autofocus, automatic keystone correction, intelligent obstacle avoidance, and automatic curtain alignment. These features work seamlessly to deliver a hassle-free setup and optimal viewing experience. Moving on with its connectivity, it's equipped with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.0. This ensures fast and stable connectivity. Whether you're streaming content or casting from your phone, the experience is smooth and lag-free. The 2GB RAM and 32GB of storage provide ample memory for multitasking and storing apps, ensuring a fluid user experience. The real-time casting feature is a game changer. When your mobile phone and the projector are on the same Wi-Fi LAN, you can effortlessly cast content to the big screen. This is perfect for binge-watching dramas or enjoying mobile games on a larger display. Now, audio quality is one of the standout features of this device. It is equipped with Harman Kardon OEM speakers, which deliver exceptional sound quality. Let's put it in action, and let me know in the comments how's the audio quality of this device. Holding out for you, tell me that it's true. Did you notice? The audio is loud and immersive, making it ideal for movies, gaming, or even casual music listening. At normal working volume, the sound is so clear that the 28 decibel operating noise is virtually inaudible, ensuring an uninterrupted viewing experience. The composite metal optical machine body is designed for efficient heat dissipation, ensuring the projector remains cool even during extended use. This not only enhances durability, but also maintains consistent performance. The 28 decibel noise level is impressively low, making it one of the quietest projectors in its class. Now for safety, the Lenovo 100P incorporates an eye protection function that simulates natural light, making it softer and more comfortable for prolonged viewing. This is particularly beneficial for children as it reduces eye strain compared to direct light from physical screens. Now here is my final verdict. The Lenovo 100P Smart Projector is a well-rounded device that excels in design, performance, and user experience. Its combination of true brightness, advanced features, and durable build makes it a compelling choice for both casual users and home theater enthusiasts. While it may not be the brightest projector on the market, its thoughtful design and innovative features more than make up for it. Whether you're watching movies, gaming, or presenting, the Lenovo 100P delivers a premium and immersive experience.
Alright, that's for today's review of the Lenovo Xiaoxin 100P Smart Projector. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you like this kind of review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.